Okay, Cam, you could go. Good job. Camden.
We're going to butt boy.
Who's going to be the fastest?
Me. No, me.
Your helmet's good, Chris. You can buckle it. Your helmet is on the back. Your helmet's on the wrong way. No, it's on the wrong way. So you have to take it off and put it on the other way. You want me to help you?
Yeah. I got it.
You got it? Okay, let's see if you can do it by yourself. Can I put it on the other way? Good job, sissy. Oh, your baby fell.
I'm
Pick her up.
leave.
What? What are you doing? Presley, your baby. The bad mom. On your mark. Get set, go. Whoa. Oh. Are you okay? You okay? You okay?
Did he step on this?
Are you gonna pick up your bike? Yeah, I think you fell on the thing right there. Good job, Cam. Careful.
No seatbelt.
No, babies always have to have a seatbelt. Put her seatbelt on.
No.
Okay, she's gonna fall out. Oh, she fell out again.
Bye. Bye. Bye, baby. I don't like you.
Presley.
Bye.
Put your feet up. Oh, you're reenacting what happened? Okay. Camden! Why'd you run over Sissy's baby? You guys are being super mean to the baby. I'm putting her away. You guys are being super mean to the baby. Okay. Baby's going back into my bag.
Give me my baby back.
I'm not giving you your baby. Presley.
Go, Mom, go.
Okay. I don't think I can fit. I really don't. I'm not even joking.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, let's see.
Fit,
Okay.
No, Mom. Let's do it again.
No, that hurt my back. That was this slide.
Again?
Look how small that slide is.
Silly goose.
Silly goose.
Mom.
No, you share. Drink. Wait, Cam, you could drink some first. Camden, come back. You gotta be nice to your brother, okay? Go give it to him. Where he's coming. Say thank you. Okay, Cam, you could go. Good job. What are you saying up there, Cam?
No, I climbed I got her.
Presley, you okay?
Sweet. Oh, let's do her. Pull your mouth. No, I hurt it.
She hurt her knee.
You go hurt. Oh, bad.
Okay, we're gonna go in right now. Brother was being super sweet to you, Press. Oh, there we go. Let me get
Okay. Okay.